Hello, I am reviewing the Samsung Bespoke fridge. We just got it last week and we are loving it. One of the really cool things about it is the beverage center. You can store some drinks up here, and then you can get water from the little beverage center right here, or you can get a pitcher of water. It's pretty cool. It's already built in, and as you get the water, you put the pitcher back in and it refills it for you. So it's pretty cool. When we open the doors here, it is very big and spacious. The one thing we really like about this is we haven't used it, but there is this option with this specific part where if you have something big that needs to be on this level, you can actually slide that back and you can fit the item if it's bigger. So that's pretty cool. Right now we're just leaving it as a full shelf. Let's see here. And it does have the stainless steel, which is really shiny, really nice. And we have the freezer down here. With the right side, you can make this into a fridge or a freezer by changing the settings, which is really nice. But we kept it as a freezer. And then if you slide this out over here, it makes two different kinds of ice. The left is the ice cubes and the right side is the ice bites. So you can have two different kinds of ice. And it comes with that little scoop. It's pretty cool. Yep, the cubed ice or the ice bites. Definitely recommend this. We are having a blast using it.